Alright, so I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I've got a fill valve on the toilet where when the float rises all the way up to the top, that valve does not seat itself and stop the flow of water. So I'm going to take a look at that today and see if there's a quick fix so I don't have to buy some new parts. First thing I'm going to do is take the tank lid off, set it aside. I should mention my toilet has a Kohler Class 5 silent fill toilet valve. I've already turned off the water shutoff valve, but what I want to do is I want to take a look at this system right here. Now you can buy a whole new fill valve assembly, but sometimes it's just the seal inside here that needs to be replaced or sometimes just cleaned. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to detach the float arm. And so I'm just going to pop this off like that. And now I'm just going to push down and do a quarter turn to unseat this fill valve. Just like that. And you can now lift it off. Now a lot of times it's just this seal that gets dirty. So you can replace this, but you can also pull it off. And now I'm just going to clean this thing with some soapy water in the sink. Okay, so I'm not sure if you could see it before, but there was like a slimy residue on here. And so just using an old toothbrush and some soapy water, I scrubbed it. This thing is in pretty good shape, so I'm just going to reinstall it and see if that fixes the problem. All right, so to reassemble this, I'm going to take that little long side, place it on that pin, and then just gently push it in there. There. Once I've got that seated, we're just going to slide it back in. So remember, we were going to do a quarter turn. There, that's it. It's back installed. And now we'll reattach the float arm to where that's supposed to go. Just like that. And now we'll turn the water back on and see if it functions properly. Let's do a quick flush to see. So we'll let that fill up and we'll see if it stops. All right, it should shut off any second now. Hey, that's perfect. So we can put the top back on. This project's done.